What's the meaning of boatman? Boatman. Boatman.
Boatman. Boatman. The term boatman refers to a person who operates or works on a boat, typically in the capacity of a sailor or a ferryman. The job of a boatman can vary greatly, depending on the type of vessel they are working on and their specific duties. For example, a boatman might be responsible for piloting a fishing boat, navigating a cargo ship through rough waters, or transporting passengers on a ferry. In some cases, a boatman may also be responsible for maintaining and repairing boats, as well as ensuring that they are properly stocked with supplies and equipment. Ultimately, the role of a boatman is critical to the functioning of many different industries, including shipping, tourism, and transportation.